Hello traders, today is the 13th of July 2023. What an amazing and blessing day, guys. 200 plus pips, most of my traders bank. Amazing trades. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in pound dollar. Pretty straightforward. Our bias is long, and this morning, as explained, price broke on this previous high, and you can see here price came back and retest. As explained, my trader, just keep taking a pullback and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries. That's the key important thing is. And if you look at here, this is the Asian session analysis, sideways market, pretty straightforward. You can see here the market broken. That's the beautiful breakout long trade here this morning. As explained to my trader, the first priority will be the pullback. We're only going to take a short if the price cannot break any recent low and retest. And if you look at here, based on this analysis, if you look at here, the price developed a double bottom here. That's the good sign. We have this pullback, we have this pullback, we have this pullback, even this one, and we really enjoy this profit, banking amazing profit. I said, guys, let's wait for the New York session. And as you can see here, another beautiful breakout. Our bias was long, price nicely broken, beautiful long trade here, bank another beautiful profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you want to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a nice day.